It's not a term you hear a lot, but firsthand smoke is the stream of smoke inhaled directly by the person using the tobacco product. It comes from cigarettes, cigars, pipes, hookahs, and vaping devices. Our Jasmine Bird tells us the direct effect firsthand smoking has on one's health.
And it's harder to get health insurance when you're smoking. It's hard to find a place to live when you're smoking.
University of San Francisco, California pediatrician Dr. Valerie Gribben believes sometimes when it comes to firsthand smoking, it can be a trickling effect.
Really, what you see is there's this cycle where folks smoke and then their children smoke.
And over the years,
People were smoking, they thought it was just the person who was smoking. And it took years and years and years of research to find out, oh my gosh, actually, if someone is smoked around, they're more likely to develop asthma. Later on, they're more likely to develop cancer.
Rochester, New York assistant professor Matthew McGraw explains that the primary reason most people vape is because of the addiction to nicotine.
Adolescents are extremely vulnerable because their brain is developing during the time that they start to use, that it's extra addictive to start to acquire an addiction to nicotine.
Dr. Gribben agrees and adds that this is the effect nicotine can actually have on the human brain.
Nicotine can poison the human brain, and it really primes folks to be more likely to stay addicted, to smoke for longer, to have other side effects like depression, anxiety.
Professor McGraw also adds that anything you inhale for your lungs is not a good thing to do.
If those cells are exposed to that, they're less likely to clear an infection, such as a respiratory tract infection.
According to the CDC, cigarette smoke causes nearly 1 in 5 deaths and is the leading cause of preventable death in the U.S. However, the good news is
There are lots of great chances to quit smoking and quit vaping.
and that's not all.
We're actually starting to get trained on how to help parents quit, because we know that the most important thing that helps the health of a child would be stopping smoking, stopping vaping.
In Huntsville, Jasmine Bird, Fox 54 News.